Cooking 360. So today we're making oxtail stew. Now this is so easy, you're not even going to believe it. First thing I did, okay, well I sprayed my container here. And the first thing I did is wash my oxtail. This is 5 pounds. So, whatever seasoning we're going to add here is for the 5 pounds. This is going to be so delicious when it's done. You're not even going to believe it. Okay, so here we go. Now we have everything in here. This is what we're going to do. Our seasoning is going to be a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. This really need good seasoning in here, guys. A tablespoon of garlic powder. A tablespoon of onion powder. Yep. And gotta put a little cayenne pepper in here. Maybe a teaspoon. Give it a little zing. And some black pepper. Yeah, maybe a teaspoon also. And some soy sauce. It's gonna take about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Because when this is cooking, as a matter of fact, when it's done cooking, it's gonna have this nice brown color on here. You don't even have to put it in a pot and get color on there or anything, because we're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna put it in there for 3 hours, 380 degrees for 3 hours. And then after 2 hours, we're gonna covered. We're gonna add 1 cup just 1 cup of water in here. That's all. And then we're going to cover this up 380 degrees and let it cook for 3 hours. Could be 3.5 hours. But after 2 hours, I'm going to take it out and show you what I do next, because we're going to add some onions and some garlic, bell peppers, and put it back in there for another hour, okay? So see you back in 2 hours. Welcome back, my friends, to Judy Cooking 360 channel. We're still in the middle of making our oxtail stew. Now, this is after 2 hours. I'm reminding you that I did say after 2 hours, you take it out, because we're gonna put some other seasoning in here. See how the color is coming up nicely already? Now, I have 4 cloves of garlic that I cut. I just rough cut them in two. Just cut them in halves so that they can sit in here. Because you want this to be delicious and tasty. And 1 onion, roughly chopped. Half of a green bell pepper, roughly chopped. Right? Okay, there we go. Now I have here 2 cans of butter beans. See that? Now I threw off the water that it came in. I also rinsed the beans itself, because you want to rinse the beans because the water that it's, the brine that it's been sitting in, you want to get rid of that. So rinse the beans, throw away that water, rinse the beans, and just place them in here. Right? Now we're going to put this back for an hour. Because remember, we're doing this for 3 hours. Now, if after the 3rd hour, it's not completely cooked, nothing's wrong, cook for another half an hour. That's all. Okay? So we're going to cover this back up. And put this for another hour. Okay, guys? It's going to be tasty. It's going to be delicious. Thanks for watching Judy Cooking 360. See you guys when it's done.